piece of art, a scribbled piece of art, a scribbled piece of art, a scribbled piece of art. You are now a mama in America. You're now a mama in America. The answer's simple, completely clerica. You are a mama in America. Why did your own mama change to finally this far? She transformed suddenly to your kid's superstar. Why does a statement, Ma, I passed my test, cause such elation and anxiety in my chest? Why am I awake in the middle of the night? I ain't at a nightclub, but I'm mixing some Sprite. Why do I dance, watch Ellen on TV, and hoping the nap continues until at least 3? Why am I crying for both happy and sad? I have no idea if the word wine is good or bad. Why does this love cause me such strength and power? I can jump so high, I can run and climb the Eiffel Tower. Why are my emotions being multiplied by pi and not smoking any pot, but feeling so hot? Why can't I relate to the Grinch's growing heart when I proudly hang up a scribbled piece of art? The answer is simple, simple. A scribbled piece of art, a scribbled piece of art, a scribbled piece of art.
It is all about family. We love you. Welcome.